I'm here at the Factory Antique Mall hunting for plates, and I found some silverware for rings and other little things. They're gorgeous stuff here. It's my first time and I am astonished, amazed. It's great here. Boxes. Found some vintage Pyrex. These will make great necklaces. Okay, let's check the prices. They're 52, and 20 for 5 little cups. Adorable. Oh, look at this crochet towels. Oh, they're table scarves. Oh, so cool. This both caught my eye. Look at the crochet and that frame. Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. This is Mark Is. Oh my gosh, so many crochet things. Hi. And oh wow, they're perfect. Great boots. I saw some china here. Let's see, something with pretty flowers and something blue. Oh, that's gorgeous. And what's the name of this booth? Decor Divas. More porcelain here. Oh, I need to see this. Oh my gosh, so much good stuff. Let's see. Such a good dish for eggs. Let's see, these will make nice pendants. Oh, so gorgeous. That is very pretty. It's a whole set. Let's see if I can just buy one. And the name of this booth is, cannot see the name. It's a salad plate for $8. These are very pretty, but they're right at the edge. The flowers are at the edge. Okay. Oh, my favorite, blue and white. Oh, these are very pretty. Oh, this tray is gorgeous. $70. Brandenburg serving tray. Oh, toys. That is a very nice booth. Need to remember that. Oh, some more plates. Oh, some fruits. Alright. Oh, I need a chess set. A wooden one. By any chance? Oh, these are pretty. Oh, so cute. This will be very cute. Oh, this is nori take. Good. Alright, we are on a back street. Oh wow. These are whole sets. This will make million pendants. Okay, some more china here. It's a handkerchief valance. Oh, how cute.